Okay, let's select cell E4 and then go to the Insert menu, Picture, from File, and let's browse to our Excel 2K Prof folder, if we don't open it automatically, and double click on the lara.gif file. Now click the Format Picture button on the picture bar, and on the Properties tab, let's select Don't Move or Size with Cells and click OK. And now let's use the handles to resize the picture so that it fits inside the row. And now let's select cells A5 to D8 and click on the Data menu, and let's select Group and Outline and then Group, and then OK. We'll accept rows there. Now click the minus sign to the left of the 9 row marker. Now click the Sheet 2 tab and go to the Data menu again, Group and Outline, and let's select Auto Outline. And let's go to the Tools menu. Auto Outline works when you have subtotals in a spreadsheet. And on the View tab here, let's clear the Outline Symbols checkbox and OK. And now let's go to the Tools menu again and Options, and on the View tab, let's put those outline symbols back again. Let's select that box again and OK, and you see the difference. Now click the one that's immediately below the name box. That's the name box up there, and click the 1. We see the effects. Now click the 2. And we see a little bit more detail. Now 3, and we see it all. Okay, now let's go to the Data menu and Group and Outline and Clear Outline. Now let's go back to our My Sheet tab and go to the Data menu, Group and Outline, and Ungroup, and OK. But we still can't see the rows, so let's go to the Format menu, Row, and Unhide. Okay, now let's save.